Hello again, friend. Welcome back. Now, in this video, we're going to answer a very important question for this series. Which Linux distro are we actually going to install and use? And the answer is CentOS Stream. But before we move on, let's quickly understand what that really means. Because you might be wondering, what is CentOS Stream? And is it different from the CentOS people used to know? Let me explain, briefly. CentOS stands for Community Enterprise Operating System. Back in 2004, a developer named Greg Kurtzer took the source code of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, which is open source, and rebuilt it into a free operating system called CentOS. And that made it very popular, especially for servers. So for a long time, CentOS was basically a lookalike of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, just without the official branding and support. In 2014, Red Hat officially got involved with the CentOS project, which made the relationship between CentOS and Red Hat even more direct. Now, here's where things changed. Before 2021, the flow of development looked like this: Fedora, then Red Hat Enterprise Linux, then CentOS. So CentOS was what we call downstream, meaning it receives updates after Red Hat. But in 2021, things changed. The flow became Fedora, then CentOS Stream, then Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This means CentOS Stream is no longer a copy of Red Hat. Instead, it is a preview of what is coming into Red Hat. That's why it is now called upstream. By the way, Fedora is another community project sponsored by Red Hat. It's where new features and updates usually appear first before moving into the rest of the ecosystem.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Now, why are we using CentOS Stream for this series? Simple. Because it is part of the Red Hat ecosystem, which is widely used in real-world environments, especially in servers and enterprise systems. So as you're learning Linux here, you're not just learning randomly, you're learning something that actually connects to real-world usage. And more importantly, the goal here is not just the distro, it's to help you understand Linux itself. As of today, CentOS Stream 10 is the latest version, so yes, you're on the right track. And honestly, that's something to feel good about. We're not just learning Linux, we're learning it the right way. Let's keep going. I'll see you in the next video.